Hi guys, welcome to another one on Gala. Now this is up by 10.99% so far today. It's looking really good, and you'll see actually zooming out to the 7-day, things are not looking too bad at all. Now we're going to be talking about all of that and more in this video, but as always remember, this is not financial advice, it's only my personal opinion. But if you do enjoy watching these videos, of course it would help the channel out if you could just press that little red subscribe button below the video and also leave a like on it too. Now, we are currently doing a fundraiser for Save the Children. If you can donate anything at all, please do. You'll be making a very positive difference. And I must also remind you guys that we do have a Patreon. A lot of the content on here is for free, so you can go view it in the link in the description for free. But there is also some paid content if you guys do want to join us. A lot more content will be coming out on the free side and also on the pay side too. So if you do want to sign up, link is down below. Now we're going to dive in and have a quick look at how this one has been moving very recently, because I think things are starting to look quite good. Now, what we're seeing on the chart in the past month or so, you'll notice that we're having a big explosion in price. Now, this has taken us from a point which was down here, and if we go into trading view, you'll see that price point, if we can highlight it, was quite low at a price of only 10 cents. Now, from that point, we're coming up to 22. Then we're starting to have a little bit of a sell, then some consolidation, another push up. This took us up to about 35. Then a bit more of a slow, steady push up to 39. Then another explosion taking us up to 58, and from there you'll see another push up to 75, and of course now we're having some wick up here which has taken us up to 84 throughout today, and we're having a low today at 62. So clearly very volatile both today and even in the past week or two. The question is, where are we going with this one next? And this pattern is going to be quite hard to predict. On the one hand, we're going to have people who are thinking, well, it's done this a few times before, it's probably going to see another big run up in the next 2 or 3 days. And that, of course, could be the case, but it is going to be quite risky either way. Now today, what we are seeing when it comes to the actual candlestick itself, if we want to break that down a bit, you'll see that the wick to the high side and the wick to the low side are very steep, and we have a relatively small body in the middle. Now, overall, the body is more towards the upside, but clearly it is relatively central. Now what this means is that we're not really having too much movement throughout the day overall, but we're seeing very high highs and very low lows. Now in contrast to where the wick is, the low is a lot higher than where the high was, so you can see we're dropping lower than where we are rising high. And of course what this means going forwards is, are we going to start to see this one drop a bit lower, or are we going to have another big push up? Now zoom out to the past 30 minutes and you will see that we're having some nice consolidation at this current level, and zoom out to the past hour, you will see we're still having that big push up, but once more that consolidation is shown clearly. Now, if I was looking to get into this one in the next couple of days, I would have to say it carries a lot of risk, because like I said, these patterns are very, very hard to predict, it's very hard to time, and it could definitely go very wrong. Now, of course, I'm not hating on this particular coin, I'm just trying to say that there are a lot of risks involved, and I'm not a financial advisor, but you guys definitely should be aware this one is up big in the past month, and again, zoom out, you'll see it's up from 10 cents, up 7 times to this current price. Now, before another push up, I am going to be looking to see a bit of consolidation. It could possibly dip a little bit into the next 2 or 3 days, and once more, that wouldn't really be too concerning to me. As long as we do get a little bit of consolidation, don't lose too much of the current price level, I would be very happy. Now, I would want to see us dip potentially as low as 70, not really much lower than that. Of course, we can have these wicks like what we've seen today bring us down. That's not too concerning, but we want to see consolidation in the 70 range. That would be a nice thing to see, and it would possibly get us ready for another push up. Now, once more, this pattern is unpredictable, so we could have a little bit of consolidation like this, then out of nowhere just go boom and explode, but it is going to be hard to say. So I would say, if you're looking to get into this one once more, manage your risk appropriately. Do not put everything in, because I've seen a lot of people put everything into all these coins, and whilst a lot of the time it can go fantastically, it can of course do the opposite. So be aware of the risk, but yes, I will be watching this one in the next couple of days. I think a sell-off could be on its way. Again, I do not want to see that happen, but if it does happen, I wouldn't say it was unexpected, especially after the growth that we are seeing. But once more, guys, if you think it's a good buy, that's up to you. If you think it's time to sell, that's up to you as well. I'm just going to remind you, manage your risk appropriately, and you should be fine. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did learn anything out of it, make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe. See you all again in another one very soon. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen, you'll be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously, it is split into multiple sections. Basically, at the top, we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further, we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs, and other hot stocks, including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well. And we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down, you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes, and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.